What's going on, folks? I finally got my new camera at last, and I'm very excited today. I'll tell you what I got. I got the Sony ZV-1 20.1 camera, and yes, it's brand new. I got this at Best Buy just now, and yes, it's brand new. It's brand new, and I'm so excited today. So, well, before I get started, let me just show you the me here. So, guys, this is me, guys. This is how I look, and again, I'm a much older guy. So this is me, guys. Okay, well, before I open it up, um, I'm super excited. So let's show you. So this is what I got today. So basically, this is a vlogging camera, and I saved up for it for many months. Oh, hold on, let's get a good focus here. Oh, there you go. Okay, so first things first, I gotta make sure everything's right here. So to open it, just do this. Hold on, make sure we got a good view here. Just open it up like that. And let's see what we have in here. And that's your usual warranty. There you go. Okay, there you go. That's your your usual warranty. Put that aside. Yeah, put it right there. Okay, almost there. Yeah, I'm so excited again today. Alright, so here it is. Here's the camera. Hold on. Take these out. Alright, put the box on the side right here. Okay, before we get to the good part, let's just show you the main parts right here. So this is the this is your usual USB cord and charger. And this is a windscreen. So it goes on top of the camera. So this is the windscreen. Okay, I'll put that there. The batteries, your usual. Hold on. There. Okay, so this is the batteries right here. And the main part. Okay, let's just put these aside right now. Show that in a bit. Okay, so here's the main part right here. Yes, guys, I finally got one of the best cameras right here. Alright, hold on. Can we have a... There we go. So this is it. Alright, there we go. Here's the main part right here. This is the camera that I got. So this is a vlogging camera. That's what I got. And I hope it'll work perfectly. And yes, this is a high quality camera. First off, this is the camera I should have been using in the first place. Yeah, guys, I'm not going to use my old camera anymore. This is the camera that I'll start using from now on. Okay, so this is it. It's brand new out of the box. Yes, I got this at Best Buy just a while ago. Hold on, let's make a good view. And back here. And yes, guys, yeah, this is a touchscreen. It's yeah, and the best thing about this camera right there, if you take a look, that's hold on. There you go. It's a 4K megapixel. Yes, this is the camera I should be using. And hold on, let's see. And right there, there's your usual extension right there. Yes, right here. Yes, the best thing about this camera, it's got an external microphone. That way, yes, this has a better audio. So you just hook up your external microphone right there. And yes, this is a flip screen. So yeah, this is a vlogging camera. So it goes like that. Like that. Oh yeah, guys, I'm super excited. I finally got it. I saved up for it for a while. I'll get that, and I'll tell you how much I got it for too in a bit. But yep, so this is the camera I got. Hold on. Okay, so it goes like that. Okay, let's get a good focus here on my new camera. And I've been saving for several months. Okay. Close it like that. And right here, yeah, that's your battery. Yeah, your battery and your memory card. It didn't come with the memory card, but obviously I'll get it eventually. Right there. That's where you put the battery. It just goes like this. Yeah, let's just put it in. It goes like that. Hold on. Yeah, it goes like that. Very simple. And it goes like that. All right. You know what? Tell you what. Why don't I do like a part 2 video where I'll show you how it works. But for now, this is just the unboxing. Goes like that. Yeah, this is one of the best cameras I got here. And right here, this is where you put the windscreen. Hold on. Oh, there we go. It comes up. It goes like that. Okay, hold on. Make sure we have a good view here. So you just put it in, hook it on like that, and there you go. So yes, this is the camera that I got today. So yeah, I got it at Best Buy. All right, put it right there. Okay, so I'll tell you how much I got this for. I got it for $649.99 plus tax. That's not cheap, so I got it for over $700. But it was worth the money. I need something, you know, like high quality here. So this is it, guys. I've been saving for this camera for several months. Yeah, it took a while for me to get this, but I got it. So for over $700, it's worth the buy. And yes, guys, it's brand new again. I'm so excited. I'm so excited to get my new camera. Yeah, I'm not gonna use my old camera anymore. So this is the new thing I got today. So this is it. So yes, this is a vlogging camera. So opens like that. All right, goes like that. Hold on. Okay, so yeah, this is it, guys. I got my new camera here, and I'll see how it performs. All right. And yeah, this is a windscreen right here. If you want to know what that is. Okay, so that's what I got from Best Buy today. Okay, put it right there. And what's this one right here? Yeah, that. Okay, this is your usual USB cord. Yeah, for your charger. Yeah, put it right there. And what else it came with? Oh, okay. It came with the windscreen right here, and I put the battery inside, so it's right there. Okay, now let's show you again one more time. Hold on. And right there. So the best thing about this camera, it's got a 4K megapixel. That's good. This is the camera I need. Yeah, this is the camera I should be using. So right there. Okay, to take off the the windscreen, just slide it off like that. Like that. It goes off like that. Pretty easy. And yes, this camera does have a better audio. You can hook up an external microphone. All right, let's put this one back. Okay, hold on. There you go. That's it. It didn't come with the memory card, but I'll get it later on. Okay, so guys, this is what I got. This is what I got from Best Buy. The what do you call this? This is the this is the Sony. Where is it? There you go. There's the name of it. There's the Sony ZV-1 20.1. That's what I got. All right, and I'll see how it goes. I hope it works out. Hope yes, this camera will be a great help. It's got a better audio, better picture. And okay, you know what? Tell you what. Well, why don't I do like a part 2 video? And yeah, I just got it in. It's brand new, and I'm just gonna get acquainted. I'm gonna study this a little bit. So yeah, I'm gonna do a part 2 video of this later on, maybe sometime in the next week or so. Yeah, it's my first time, getting this, and yes, for over $700, it was worth the buy. I need something like high quality right here. Yes, so this is it. This is what I got from Best Buy. The what do you call this? The ZV-1. ZV-1 20.1 camera right here. All right, so there you go. So that concludes my review on my my new camera here that I got at Best Buy. and I'll do a part 2 video when sometime next week, week or so, show you how it works, and also hope this will be a great help. Yeah, with the better sound, better audio, better pixel. Yes, this is a 4K megapixel. This is what should have been using. Well, anyway, let me know what you think of this, and thanks for watching.